Hello friends, my name is Kailash and in this video we are going to talk about data validation in Excel. So here I have a sample employee data and I need to categorize employees by their employment type. And these are the possible employment type that I want to have. So if I need to do it manually, simply I have to do like typing it like this. Now this can be time consuming. Also, it is prone to errors. Like I can make mistakes while typing. And if this particular column is connected to different sheets using formulas, summarization, this will have impact. Now, if you want to make this as a drop down, what you need to do is select your entire data range where you want the drop down. And then go to data. Here under data tools, you have data validation. There you select list and then in the source, you can pick this employment types, right? Do not select the header, otherwise header will also come as a drop down. Once done, click on OK and you have the drop down. Now let's say you are adding one more name like Ajay. Now here, if you see the drop down has not come, but it is available till here and after that it is not there. So how you can ensure that when the new row is getting added, there also the drop down is coming. For that, we need to convert this data into table. So I'm going to hit Ctrl Z and then select my data, go to Insert, Tables and ensure that this checkbox is ticked. Click OK. And now my data is as a table. Now, with table, when you go to the next row like this and say Sharma, and here we have the names. But what if you need to add one more employment type? In that case, you will find it difficult. For example, I am adding training. Now, this is not going to come here. The reason is because when we selected the data range, we only selected this one. So I'll hit Ctrl Z and then select this data range, go to Insert, Table, click OK like this. Now if we try to add the same name like this, it should also appear here. So your drop downs are now connected to the table. Also the new employment type when you add, it will also appear. Now this particular column, you can keep it in different sheets as well, or you can hide it so that the user do not see. Now in data validation, let's say when I type something different, right? Now here I'm getting some warning. Now this also you can customize, and how? What you have to do is, again we'll select everything and then go to data, and here we have data validation and range is all good, and this is what we are going to use. For example, alert message. So we say that when the user is typing something else, then we want to give them alert, right? So for that, I'll say invalid employment type, and I'll say select a valid employment type from the drop down. Click OK. And now if we try to put something, say select a valid employment type from the drop down, which is making more sense. Plus, you can also instruct users when they click on it, you can give a small window as information so that the users know that they need to select from the drop down. And how this can be done? From here, instead of alert, we will use input message. We'll say employment type. Please select from drop down. Right? So now, whenever I select, it says, please select from the drop down, right? So this is making more sense and the user will never make mistakes while entering data. I hope you liked this video. If you need this practice file, the link will be available in the video description.